I joined Vienna in 2006, started heading the school. And when I came here, the school was very hot. And I realized that there was no vegetation cover. So I planted the trees. I started planting the trees and everybody was just laughing and then saying, how do you plant trees, in a school that you've come to head? By the time you leave, will you have sat into those shades? Most people did not think that I was going to sit into these trees and see them, and create a very good environment which the students are sitting in. And that is the strange part of people. You can see this tree. I planted it in 2007 and see how big it has grown into. What a great pleasure to see that you've done such things and they have come to be realistic. Most people are funded. They really think that they will never live to see some of these long-term projects being realized. As you are always doing something, plan long-term. Do not only do things that when you are there, that is when they will be materialized. No, you plan for things that are going to be there for a long time. And then other people will sit into that shade, not necessarily you that was to sit in that shade. Most people do things for short term. They don't know that they will live in that area for a long time. So you do things as if you are not going to live. Abantu abasinga bakola ebintu bya buli lunaku ng'alowooza nti enkyagenda kuvaawo. Weesanga obaddewo okumala ebbanga ddene kati lengera ekibira kino. Emmotoka zaffe zonna kati zipaakinga mabega eno manju, zipaakinga mu kisiikirize ekirungi. So always do things when for long term. Don't work in a place as if you are living tomorrow. So do your work diligently. Tokolanga kintu ng'olinga agenda okuvaawo enkya. Kubanga oyinza okuwangaalirawo. Kati gino emiti be nalinga ngisimbanga abantu. By the way, emiti gino abazadde be nalagira okugisimba. Buli muzadde yeeguliranga omuti gwe. Oluva mwami Kajoba Solomoni, bamwami Wokadaala. Guno buli muti guliko nnyine gwo. Abazadde nabagamba nga ne bagula emiti ne bajja ku parents visitation ne basimba emiti gino. Kati lengera tulina ekibira kyekyo.